Discover fabulous new construction by Boylan Homes in South Salem Sky Meadows Estates. It's convenient to shopping, downtown, the freeway, great schools, and neighborhood parks. Custom built, this one-level home offers designer touches, quality craftsmanship, and high-end materials throughout, including a stamped concrete patio and paver driveway. Gorgeous flooring leads to the open floor plan with a vaulted great room, a gas fireplace, and built-ins. The chef's kitchen features a large island with an eating bar, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Eight-foot-tall glass doors and large windows provide tons of natural light. And you'll love the walk-in pantry. All 3 bedrooms have their own full bath. The vaulted primary suite has direct access to the patio and the private fenced backyard. The spa-like bath is well appointed with modern finishes, a soaking tub, and tile shower, plus a large walk-in closet. The utility room has extra storage space and leads to the 3rd bedroom suite in this home of more than 2,200 square feet. It also features the latest systems in on-site stormwater management, helping to keep our rivers clean. The 3-car garage includes plenty of room for storage. More custom-built homes in the coming months. Just ask for details. An exceptional opportunity in Sky Meadows Estates. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.